Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the problems on chain rule. In the previous class, we discussed about chain rule. What is the chain rule? The derivative of a function means if y equal to f of g of x is a function, then derivative of its function. Okay, we are taking g of x equal to u, and that is y equal to f of u. Du by dx is g dash x, dy by dx is f dash u. By chain rule, dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then it becomes f dash u into g dash x. U means g dash of x. F dash x into f dash of g of x into g dash x. Means derivative of f of g of x is f dash of g of x into g dash x. Means if you take f as outside function, first outside function derivative f dash. First outside function, here f is outside function, g of x is inside function. So first derivative of outside function into derivative of inside function. ఎప్పుడైతే outside function derivative చేస్తామో అప్పుడు inside function ని as it is గా ఉంచాలి. ఓకే, derivative of f of g of x is f dash of g of x into g dash x. Means first outside function derivative, while performing outside function derivative, inside function is as it is. Next, into inside function derivative. Okay, let us see the problems. Y equal to sec root x derivative. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of sec of root x. Outside function is sec, inside function is root x. Sec x derivative sec x into tan x. Therefore, it is sec root x into tan root x into inside function derivative d by dx of root x. So sec root x and tan root x as it is. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. It is the answer. Okay. Next problem, y equal to log of sin x. So dy by dx equal to d by dx of y means log of sin x. So ఇక్కడ outside function is log, inside function is sin. So log derivative 1 by x. Log x derivative 1 by x. X కి బదులు ఏముంది sin x. So 1 by sin x into d by dx of inside function, that is d by dx of sin x. So 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So cos x by sin x is cot x. Simply you have to go through first outside function derivative. While outside function derivative, you have to take inside function is as it is into inside function derivative. Next, y equal to sin of log x. So dy by dx equal to d by dx of y means y in sin of log x. So outside function is sin, inside function is log. So sin derivative cos. So cos of log x into derivative of inside function log x, means derivative of log x. So cos of log x into log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x into cos of log x is the answer. Okay, very simple. First outside function derivative, next inside function derivative. So homework problems, cos of log x, next tan of 3x plus 2, 9 plus 7x whole to the power of 6, sin of cos x, cosec of square root of 3x square plus 1 and e to the power of 2x. This square root is for total 3x square plus 1. Okay. Next, find dy by dx if y equal to x to the power of n 9 into e to the power of 2x. X to the power of 9 into e to the power of 2x. Here to find the derivative of this y, it is product of two functions, u into v. So to product of two functions, you have to take u equal to one function, x to the power of 9, v equal to e to the power of 2x. So v dash, x to the power of 9 derivative, 9 into x to the power of 8. How means x to the power of n? Derivative is n into x to the power of n minus 1, where n equal to 9. Next, e to the power of 2x derivative. E to the power of 2x derivative, e to the power of x form, it is e to the power of x. So e to the power of 2x into derivative of 2x becomes 2. So 2 into e to the power of 2x. Outside function e to the power of x, inside function 2x. So 2 into e to the power of 2x. U dash equal to 9x to the power of 8. V dash equal to 2 into e to the power of 2x. So substitute uv formula. we have u derivative of uv equal to u dash v plus v dash u dash v plus v dash u dash means 9x to the power of 8 into v e to the power of 2x v dash 2 into e to the power of 2x into u means x to the power of 9. So here e to the power of 2x, in this term also e to the power of 2x. X to the power of 8, ikkada x to the power of 9 undi, so x to the power of 8 is common. X to the power of 8 into e to the power of 2x is common. We get here 9 and here 2 and here x, 2x, 9 plus 2x. X to the power of 8 into e to the power of 2x into 9 plus 2x is the answer. Okay, next problem. Y equal to log of sine of cos of e to the power of x. Log of sine of cos of e to the power of x. So derivative. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of y means log of sine of cos of e to the power of x. First outside function. ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఇన్సైడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఓన్లీ రెండే కాకుండా ఎక్కువ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ లాస్లో ఉన్నది. ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ లాగ్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్, రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్. సో అవుట్ సైడ్ లాగ్ డెరివేటివ్ 1/x. సో 1 సైన్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. ఇదంతా ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటే అంటే ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా ఉంచాలి. ఇదంతా ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటే లాగ్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ 1/x. ఎక్స్కి బదులు ఏం రాయాలి, ఇది టోటల్ రాయాలి. సైన్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ మీన్స్ డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. ఓకే, సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఈ కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. అగైన్ this step is same, 1 sine of cos of e to the power of x as it is into derivative of this function. Again here outside function is sine, inside function is cos of e to the power of x. Sine derivative idantha x anukunte sine derivative sin x derivative cos x. So x ki badalu cos of e to the power of x. So cos of e to the power of x and derivative of inside function means d by dx of cos of e to the power of x. Next, cos of e to the power of x by sin of cos of e to the power of x and cos theta by sin theta, that is cot theta. Okay, and it is derivative. ఇదేమవుతుంది, రెండు డివైడ్ చేస్తే cos of e to the power of x and derivative of cos of e to the power of x. Outside function cos, inside function e to the power of x. Cos x derivative minus sin of e to the power of x into derivative of e to the power of x. ఓకే, ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్ కలిపి కాట్ వస్తుంది మైనస్ సైన్ ఇది. ఓకే, e to the power of x. నెక్స్ట్ cot of cos of e to the power of x into derivative is minus sin of e to the power of x and derivative of inside function e to the power of x. Cos of e to the power of x derivative is minus sin of e to the power of x into derivative of e to the power of x. Minus is outside. Cot of cos of e to the power of x as it is sin of e to the power of x. Derivative of e to the power of x is e to the power of x. It is answer. అంటే ఒక్కొక్క ఫంక్షన్ యొక్క డెరివేటివ్ కనుక్కుంటూ రావాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ లాగ్ అనేది అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్, ఇదంతా ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సైన్ అనేది అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్, రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ కాస్ అనేది అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్, ఈ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్. అక్కడ 1/1 వెళ్తూ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తూ వెళ్ళాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, log of y ఈక్వల్ టు లాగ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ లాగ్ ఎక్స్. ఇక్కడ కూడా 3 ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. y ఈక్వల్ టు లాగ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ లాగ్ ఎక్స్. సో dy by dx ఈక్వల్ టు d by dx ఆఫ్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ లాగ్ ఎక్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ లాగ్ డెరివేటివ్ ఇదంతా ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటే లాగ్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ 1/x. సో 1 sin of log x, inside function into sin of log x into derivative of inside function sin of log x. Again here sin of log x derivative, sin is outside function, here sin is outside function, so sin derivative cos of log x into derivative of log x. Okay, inside function log x. So 1 sin x is sin of log x as it is, derivative of sin of log x means sin is outside function, sin derivative cos x అనుకుంటే log x cos of log x అవుతుంది, into derivative of inside function log x. cos of log x by sin of log x, cos theta by sin theta, cot theta, that is cot of log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore 1 by x into cot of log x. Okay. Next, homework problems. 3 to the power of root x, 3 to the power of root x, and log of sin of e to the power of x, log of log x, x square into e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 6 into log x. ఈ 7th and 8th problems UV method. Okay, u into v method, derivative of UV method, product rule. ఇవి రెండు ఇన్సైడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఫస్ట్ లాగ్ డెరివేటివ్, నెక్స్ట్ సైన్ డెరివేటివ్, నెక్స్ట్ e to the power of x, లాగ్ అండ్ దిస్ లాగ్ అండ్ దిస్ లాగ్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ a to the power of x ఫామ్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ రూట్ x డెరివేటివ్. ఓకే, దిస్ చైన్ రూల్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఆల్సో. Go through the video and complete homework problems and fair notes. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. Thank you.